Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to remove a Volvo V40 door handle. First, gather your essential tools, including Torx bits, a flathead screwdriver, and plastic trim removal tools. A clean, well-lit area is crucial for safety and visibility. Remember to protect your car's paintwork with masking tape around the handle area to avoid any accidental scratches during the process. Now, let's move to the interior. Begin by gently prying off the trim pieces around the door handle and window switches using your plastic tools. Disconnect any electrical connectors attached to the window switch and door light. Once all trim is off, locate and remove the screws holding the main door panel in place, usually found behind the trim or under caps. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more useful guides. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a Little Trees Black Ice air freshener. It's a classic for a reason and will keep your Volvo smelling fresh. You can find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. With the screws removed, carefully lift the door panel upwards and away from the door frame. Disconnect any remaining cables, then set the panel aside. Next, gently peel back the vapor barrier, being careful not to tear it, to reveal the internal workings. This will give you access to the bolts and clips that secure the exterior door handle mechanism. Now, focus on the exterior handle. You'll typically find 1 or 2 Torx bolts that secure the handle assembly. Loosen these bolts, but you might not need to remove them completely. Carefully disconnect the linkage rod that connects the handle to the door latch mechanism. With the bolts loosened and the linkage free, you can now gently slide the exterior door handle out of its position.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.